Hey everybody, Jesse here with Cars and Coffee Sim Racing. We're sharing more of our Black Friday haul from Asetek SimSports. We were able to pick up 2 wheels. One of the ones that we got was the Forte Formula Wheel. We've never had any type of Formula Wheel before. I've just had kind of cheap GT wheels. So this is my first Formula Wheel. I have my assistant here, Koa, so he's helping me out with the presentation today. This is why we got to get the dog cam set up so you guys can see Koa and Makai, and then the crazy cat that's playing in all the boxes, Kaloe. So yeah, I wanted to share this with you guys. We're going to do a quick unboxing, and then we're going to get this all set up tomorrow. We'll see if we can figure out how to get into it though. Are you going to help me, Koa? Koa, any help? There we go. Gotta be smarter than the box. Guess I could have been more prepared here. So I've never had a Formula Wheel, so this is actually very exciting, guys. You can see how excited Koa is. Alright, so that's the Forte Formula Wheel right there. It's actually got some good weight to it. Look at all the freaking buttons though. Check that out. Got buttons and little those, and there's toggles. Got toggles up here as well. And how freaking cool is that? I'm gonna be able to program all kinds of stuff, which I haven't been able to do before. What do you think, Koa? Koa's probably gonna lick it. He likes to lick stuff. He likes to taste it. You're the best supervisor ever, Koa. So yeah, I'm super excited. It's actually got some good weight to it. I believe it's carbon fiber, if I'm not mistaken, with like a aluminum, like a black aluminum to it. So yeah, this is pretty cool. Very excited, guys. Very excited. Whole new world for me. Once again, without the support of all the channel members, super chats, you guys watching my videos and shorts and getting the ad revenue for those, this wouldn't be happening right now. So I am so thankful. Thank you, guys. So we're gonna get this set up over the weekend and hopefully get some racing in. I'm super excited to try it out. Thank you, guys. You guys are absolutely amazing. I appreciate y'all. You guys are awesome. Love you.